किसने कहा कलाकार होना बहुत ही आसान काम है, किसने कहा कि शोबिज़ इंडस्ट्री का हिस्सा होना बहुत ही इजी है। Well, each thing comes with a lot of perks and its own plus and minus। और ऐसा लगता है अक्सर हमारे कलाकार जो बाहर से आपको नजर आते हैं एक मुस्कान देते हुए, वो अपने दिल का हाल बहुत कम बयां करते हैं। अपने लाइफ के शॉकिंग इंस्टेंसेस के बारे में वो किसी से जिक्र नहीं करते हैं। क्या आपको पता है कि आपकी नामचीन कलाकार जिसको आप फिलहाल देखते हैं पॉपुलर सिटकॉम तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा में, वो हुई थी अपने जीवन में सेक्सुअली हरास। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हम बात कर रहे हैं मुनमुन दत्ता की। 2017 में when the Me Too movement caught momentum in India, काफी सारी एक्ट्रेसेस के बीच में मुनमुन ने भी अपने खुद के एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में खुलासा किया था। उन्होंने बताया था कि कैसे she became a victim of sexual harassment. In the long post on a social media account, Munmun had shared her experiences of facing sexual assaults from her neighbor uncle, older cousin and teachers while she was growing up. Well, isn't that shocking? But ऐसा लगता है कि मुनमुन ने उस फेज से बाहर ग्रो करके अपनी लाइफ में सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऊंचाई पाई है। well, इसी बारे में और ज्यादा खुलासा करते हुए मुनमुन ने कहा था that it wasn't really easy for the actress to recount some of the horrid childhood experiences, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपने पोस्ट में लिखा था writing something like this brings me to tears reliving those memories as a little girl when I was scared of the neighbor uncle and his prying eyes who at any given opportunity would grope me and threaten me to speak ahead about this to anyone, or my much older cousin who would eye me differently than their own daughters। और ज्यादा रिवील करते हुए मुनमुन कंटिन्यू करती हैं अपने पोस्ट में और लिखती हैं The man who saw me at the hospital when I was born and 13 years later, he thought it was appropriate for him to touch my body because I was growing teenager and my body had changed completely from then to now। Recounting her experiences further, Munmun had shared that she was even afraid of the tuition teacher who had his hands in my underpants, or this another teacher whom I tied a rakhi to, who would scold the female students in the class by pulling their bra straps and slapping them on their breasts, or that man in the train station who gropes you. Why? Because you are too young and scared to actually speak up for yourself, so scared that you can feel your stomach getting twisted inside, your throat getting choked up. You don't know how are you gonna explain it to your parents, or too shy to actually utter this thing to anyone। Not only that, ऐसा लगता है कि these experiences became the major reason for actually Munmun hating men around her। In a candid account, the actress shared that the consequences of these abuse led her to in turn hate men, and this was the major reason why she did not really open up about her experiences। Munmun कहती हैं, and then you start developing that deep-rooted hatred towards men because you know that they are the culprit who made you feel this way today, that disgusting twisted feeling inside which takes you years and years to overcome। I'm happy to be another voice joining this movement and making people realize that I was not spared either। पर मुनमुन अपने पोस्ट को कंक्लूड करते हुए अपने दिल का हाल बयां करते हुए कहती हैं कि वो इस बात से काफी प्राउड हैं of what she is today। मुनमुन concludes her note by sharing how proud she is of herself and unlike her growing up years where she had been scared so much। She wrote, "But today I will rip apart any man who even remotely tries anything on me। I am proud of who I am।" well, ये कहना गलत नहीं है that actresses के लिए हमारे इंडस्ट्री में सरवाइव करना आसान नहीं है। कितनी बार उनको इस तरीके के एक्सपीरियंसेस इंडस्ट्री में भी फेस करने पड़ते हैं, and it's not only the actresses but the actors also have to go through the same experiences, but the actresses face a little more। और ये कहना सच होगा that Munmun indeed has managed to conquer all her fears and come out with all the sporting spirit that she has। well, हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ उम्मीद करते हैं मुनमुन अपनी लाइफ में ग्रो करती रहे और अपनी आगे की दिशा की तरफ बढ़ती रहे। More power to you, Munmun, because you took it on yourself to actually come out and open and express your thought and your point of view about your personal experiences that not many people are actually very well comfortable about sharing in open। well, आप हमारे साथ नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में ये जरूर बताना ना भूल जाइएगा कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं मुनमुन दत्ता के इस बड़े खुलासे के बारे में, बबीता जी के बताए गए इस बड़ी बात के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chakkar for all the more updates for the Telly world।